In this video, you'll see how to create cinematic map animations in After Effects. The techniques we'll use will make your animations look much better. Let's get started. First, import the map and cloud files, select Import As, Composition Retain, Layer Size, and click OK. Drag the map image into the workspace. Right-click, select Transform, and then choose Fit to Comp. Activate the 3D option, create a camera, activate the camera's point of interest and position keyframes. You can see the keyframes we've given by pressing the U shortcut. Then, select the camera zoom tool by pressing the C shortcut. You can see the camera tools in the toolbar above. Zoom in on the map a little with the zoom tool. I switch to the other camera tool by pressing the C shortcut. Okay, that's good for now. Go forward 7 seconds. Adjust the map's position by navigating between the camera tools using the C shortcut. Okay, great. Now, move the keyframes in front 2 seconds forward. Then adjust the camera position in the first frame like this. This will move the camera from close up to far off. Then go to the last second and use the camera tools to zoom in on the map a little more. Perfect. Now select the keyframes in the middle and give them easy ease. The shortcut is F9. Now it's better. Now drag the cloud files into the workspace. Activate the 3D features. At the beginning of the animation, place a few clouds in the composition like this. Then, go forward a few seconds and adjust the position of a few more clouds like this. Repeat the same process a few times until the end of the animation. If there are too few clouds, copy them with the Ctrl-D shortcut and fix them in a suitable place in the animation. Okay, very good. It would be better if made some improvements to the initial keyframes. Now it's better. Now open the camera settings. Open the depth of field. Activate the focus distance and aperture keyframes. Set the blur level to 150. Adjust the focus distance and aperture values appropriately. Then move forward 2 seconds and adjust the focus distance and aperture values like this. Adjust these settings according to which parts of the map you want to see more clearly and which parts are blurred. Another important detail is that you will get better results if you adjust the keyframes according to the keyframes you have given in the animation. Now create a shape layer. Add the simple map maker to the shape from the Effects panel. Activate the 3D feature. Fix it in a suitable place in the animation. Set the fill color to white. Set the stroke color to red. Set the stroke width to 99. Maybe we should adjust its position a little more. Okay, this is good. Now go to the last second. Copy one from the shape layer. Adjust its position like this. Very good. But need to make some minor adjustments. Set the map marker's animation duration to 1.5 and its stroke offset to 100. Perfect. Now do the same for the other map marker. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, keep notifications turned on so you can see new videos.